outcome. Therefore, Johnster Space Games Beta 0.1.7 release date. So before I announce that, I have a meme special for you.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
It's 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoops, did that just mean got you? Why did I say that nursery rhyme anyways? Also, happy release day everyone. Now, all characters are added when I decompile. And of course I created these creatures. And also all buttons added. Making the school more even paradox. And also the platforms. And last but not least, all bosses were added in this section. This time for version 0.1.7 to 0.1.8, coming this Saturday, so I'm a game developer.